In today's video, you will learn how to generate AI videos in CapCut PC. CapCut includes a built-in AI video generation tool that can automatically create scenes, visuals, animations, and video sequences based on either templates or custom prompts that you provide. To begin, go to Video Studio, which was previously called AI Video Maker. This is where CapCut's AI video generation tools are located. Once inside, you will notice different templates available that are already designed for specific styles and video types. These templates can help speed up the process because they already include built-in animations, effects, transitions, and visual structures that the AI will follow while creating your video. You can either select one of the available templates or create a completely custom AI-generated video using your own prompt. If you decide to create your own video from scratch, make sure your prompt is as detailed as possible. The more information you provide, the better the AI can understand the type of video you want to generate. Try to clearly describe the style, mood, scene, camera movement, subject, lighting, colors, and overall atmosphere you want the video to have. Detailed prompts usually lead to much more accurate and visually appealing results. After entering your prompt or selecting a template, click the Send button. CapCut will then begin processing your request and generating the video automatically. During this stage, the AI analyzes the instructions you provided and creates scenes based on your chosen style and content description. Depending on the complexity of the request and your computer performance, the generation process may take a little time to finish. While waiting, it is important to remember that AI-generated content may vary slightly each time depending on the prompt and template you use. Small changes in wording can sometimes produce very different visual results, so experimenting with prompt details can help improve the final output and make the generated video match your creative vision more closely. Once the video has been fully generated, you will be able to preview the results directly inside CapCut. If everything looks good, you can then download the generated video directly to your PC. And that is how you generate AI videos in CapCut PC using Video Studio.